welcome to another exciting episode of Fun with Colors. I'm your host, Rachel, and today we're going to embark on a colorful adventure filled with fun and learning. Look at all these colorful friends joining us today. We have red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple. They can't wait to teach you all about colors. Let's start with the color red. Red is the color of love, passion, and fire. Can you think of something red? How about apples or fire trucks? Red is such an exciting color. Now let's move on to blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. It's calm and peaceful, just like a clear blue sky on a sunny day. Next up, we have yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine and happiness. It can brighten up your day just like a smile. Green is the color of nature. It's the color of leaves on trees and grass in the park. Green reminds us of growth and life. Say hello to orange. Orange is a vibrant and energetic color. It's like a burst of energy, just like an orange on a hot summer day. Last but not least, we have purple. Purple is the color of royalty and magic. It's a color that makes you feel special and enchanted. Now, let's have some fun. Can you find something in your room that's red? How about something blue? Take a moment to look around and tell us what you see. Well done, young learners! You did an amazing job learning about colors today. Remember, colors are all around us, making our world bright and beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this colorful adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you next time on Fun with Colors.